Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to do screen mirroring. Method 1. First we need to connect both TV and mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. See, TV also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. Then in mobile phone, go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go to connection and sharing, then tap on screencast, tap on search for display devices. Now searching, and here you can see Google TV streamer. Select it, then I am going to cast entire screen. Tap on start casting. See, it's working. Okay, so this is a method 1. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. That way you can switch display to full screen in both TV and mobile phone. Let me stop this. Again go to settings. Here you can see stop screencast. Done. Method 2. We need to install this Google Home app from Google Play Store. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then tap on this devices tab. Here you can see Google TV streamer. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. Here you can see this Google Home app has detected Google TV streamer. Tap on this name. Then tap on cast to my screen. Tap on cast screen. Then if you want to cast entire screen, you can select entire screen. Then tap on start casting. See, it's working. This is a method 2. So these are the two methods. You can try this. If you want to stop this, you can again go to Google Home app, then tap on stop mirroring. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.